I'll be speaking about the breaking of the bull flag on the spotters, and now we are almost to the new highs for the year. And now, after a move up, we are seeing some kind of consolidation, which we talked about, which is pretty constructive. Next, we look at is Qs. Qs are the one of the weaker index compared to spotters, Qs, and IWM. But still strong. So Qs is usually for the tech companies. There's a lot of tech companies in there, so still strong, but it's not as strong as spotters. IWM, which is small cap index. There's a lot of small cap momentum stocks flying around every day. Whenever I get a chance, I'll try to play some and post it on my Twitter or Stock Twits. So follow me if you can. You'll get some good updates coming in over there. So IWM is still pretty strong. Stocks you want to watch going forward for um, next week. First one is First one is NOW. So we had a gap up on some decent volume, had a nice consolidation. Now we're trying to find some kind of a pattern where after the up move, some kind of sideways consolidation before it starts breaking this key, give or take 75 level. So let's see what happens in the next few days. Sideways consolidation before break of 75 would be the right thing to do. Next we take a look at is WLL. WLL is one of the stocks where it's an oil and gas stock where it has gained a lot of traction lately. Now, after multiple up moves, you're seeing some kind of sideways consolidation over the $12 region. What you really want to see is a bit more consolidation. The weekly looks good. I mean, there's nothing much on the in terms of resistance on weekly. So on the weekly, we still have space about $15. So we'll see what happens on the daily. Some kind of a consolidation, break of this 13 level. Let's take a quick look. So oil and gas companies is not a breakout stocks. They are more of a pullback stock. So we'll see how it reacts near 13. If it breaks out, see some kind of pullback or a move towards 13, and then a pullback and then a break over 13. That would make sense too. So not a breakout stock to watch. WLL, but it's more of a pullback stock. BMW, one of the better trades we took last week. Well, it was actually the only two trades we took last week. Bought it on this candle in 3 days move. Bank with about $500 on it. Risk was initially about $150, $160. So 3 times the risk we put in on there. We'll still keep a watch on it. Daily is still good. Weekly is still good as well. The other note, the another stock we look at is WYNN, Wynn Resorts. Let's pull this chart up. So Wynn Resorts, if you take a look at this stock, has doing a sideways consolidation. Now the key level on Wynn that we're really looking at is this 101 level. Once it breaks $100, it's going to be a $100 roll, and chances are there's more momentum buyers going to come in. So we don't want to anticipate it for now. I'll try to look at the 101 level in the coming days and see how it does. Same thing with SINA. SINA, we had a quick move from 45 to 54. Now some kind of a sideways consolidation up here would be pretty legit. Weekly, if you take a look at, we might be running into some kind of resistance on here, but on the shorter time span, the key resistance levels over here, still somewhere in there. So we'll take a look at how it does. But daily looks pretty strong though. So we'll see how it shapes up in the next few days. If you're looking for shorts, the only stock that I have on short watch is YY. Looking at around the 42.50 region is where there was a lot of support buying. Now what you want to see is a big volume flush through the 42.50 level and see how it reacts. that is gonna get me interested. Overall, the trend on weekly is down, trend on daily is down as well. So that's it for the day, guys. Have a good weekend.